Hey everyone, what's up? I'm gonna be designing in this video the website for the school community that I run. So school.com/coder, Python developer community. I'm working on refining the offer right now and improving my advertising. So far I just have some fonts listed out here and a few kind of example websites that I kind of want to make mine similar to. So here's some of those. This is on Dribbble, by the way, and I'm using Figma to actually design. So I'm gonna start actually with like the phone version of the website and then expand it into a desktop version. So just going off of these I want to start with just a clear headline and nav bar. I'll actually start with the nav bar first because it's a little easier. Just go like this. Developer community. It's a little too long. Just like acronym it. Then make that bold. That looks decent. I'm obviously gonna work on it over time. I just want to kind of get a layout to start with. A little hamburger bar here. Let me copy, paste here. Why can't I? Oh, there we go. Just copy and paste this 3 times. There we go, and then make this a little bigger, probably about like 3. That looks good. And set it apart a little bit. Also, this is just a rough guideline that I'm going to be going off of. When I actually, one second. When I actually develop it in Django, this is just kind of to help me along the way. Also, I don't know if I love this font. Let me try to find some good Google fonts. Let me look at this one, DM Sans. I like DM Sans. So I'm going to change all these to that. Yeah, that looks a lot more clean. I'm also going to make this just like medium. Okay, so now I need a good just headline here. And off screen I have just some notes to myself on the offer. Make 6 figures with Python. Maybe something like that. And then make this bold. And these like light maybe. I think that looks pretty good, so it makes that stand out. And then up here on top of it, I want to just write out the full name of the community. this down a little bit. Like that. I think that looks good. And then I want to put 2 buttons under here, which I'll just make squares to start with. Like black squares with rounded edges, probably like 10. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Put these a little closer together and then center them or align them left maybe, like that. And this first one is going to be like job. I don't know actually what the call to action should be, because the community is going to have 2 sections. It's going to have people for careers and jobs who want to land a 6-figure job, and it's going to have a section for people who just want to freelance and do their own thing as well. So I'm not exactly sure. Let me kind of look at these real quick. Just let's talk, get started, hire me. I guess I could just have a call to action to like book a meeting here. Probably won't be too bad. Also, I retract my previous statement. I'm actually going to make this a black bordered button instead of a just black button. Also, I'm just going to steal let's talk from that one design, because I like to steal things. Something like that. And then under there, I need to have something kind of explaining the community, I think. So down here, I'll just be like, what the community has to offer. Also, I'm gonna move these all over just slightly. Never mind. That looks good, I think. Maybe make you semi-bold. Community has to offer. Put that on 2 lines instead of 1. What we offer. Yeah, that looks a little better. And then let me see for the text. Probably like here. Then this will say like, work with me and fellow and other community members will to get a 6-figure job. Or make 6 figures with a business. Something like that is good probably. Also, I'll add color a little bit at the end. I don't want to add too much color, but maybe italicize it and make it light. So align it right there, make you a little thinner. There we go. What we offer, so I do not want extra light bold. I want like regular text here. Yeah, this looks good. Courses on Python, data science, machine learning. landing a job, marketing, sales, and more. One-on-one coaching to help you either get your dream job, scale your business, free website setup, portfolio or landing page, community with developers, active community with developers, you can learn from and network with. Monthly contests with prizes, free access to premium online tools and templates. Maybe make this light. Okay, that looks good, I think. Expand this down a little bit. So now what do I kind of want to put in here? I could put a section like this kind of, where it has the clients on work, projects done and stuff. Maybe that could be good. So something like 45. Active community members. Make this a little smaller, bring that down to like 15, and also like regular, then I think that looks good for that. One. Course says more. So what other, I don't know what other things I can put here. Projects done. I mean, under this, I can put just like a screenshot of the community, I guess. $45 members, 1 courses. I'm also going to change this to alongside. Then maybe drop shadow this. Let me see how that looks. I know I'm kind of jumping all over the place. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Here, let me see what else I could put. I could just put these for now, I guess. I don't know, just having one. I'll just put the member count, I guess, for now. And growing every day. Yeah, I think that looks good. Then down here, I want to put a screenshot of the just school community. Also, somehow I went into full screen. So let me see if I can go to mobile view. iPhone 12, 13, sure. Here, do they have the newer iPhones on here? No. Okay. I don't know why it's messing up. I don't know, I think this is good right now. Let me just add a contact section down here, and then I'll leave it at that for now, and then try to improve it over time. Oops. Contact. Also, let me make this a little smaller and delete the bigger one. So this will be the main page. And then let me duplicate this real quick. Delete everything except for the nav bar. This one will be the lead magnet section. Then I need a blog. Then I need member portfolios. Cool. So in the contact, let me just add really quickly. Remove that drop shadow. Make this larger. Name or email subject. Body. Then a button that says send. Let me see how it looks if I flip these colors. Yeah, I think that maybe looks better. If I fill you with that, put you to 0, make you white, then bold. Yeah, I kind of like that more. Okay, so then inside of here I need like email. And this should be gray a little bit, like dark gray. Then down here, this will be subject. Then down here will be message. I think that looks good for this first page. Let me kind of extrapolate that into the desktop version. And copy this over. Make it a little bigger. Center this maybe. Like right there. Move over the nav bar. The nav bar is going to need to be a lot bigger, kind of. Also, let me move these down slightly. Group these together. Something like that, maybe make these a little bigger. Actually, I don't need a hamburger button on this one. I'll just have a general call to action on the corner here. This says like, what's this size? 32, so you should be around 32 as well. Learn more. Maybe a little smaller, like 24. Move you down slightly. I also need this to be over here and bigger. Yeah, I think that looks good. Then I need the different nav bar things right here, like around this size. So that's free stuff. Blog. Member portfolios. Here, let me see how far or separate I want these from each other, kind of. Like right there is probably good. Then center these. Then put this little message there. Make it a little bigger. Like 32. Make this a little bigger as well. Put this right here. Make this a lot bigger. Then expand this a bit. Put my little number here. Put you over here as well. Sorry, I'm not talking a ton. I don't really know what to say. I hope you guys are enjoying though. There we go. And then the contact section. What size is this? 96. Yeah, that's a good size. Also over here, I'm going to move the contact thing to the left side because everything's left aligned. Email, then subject. Go to 32. And then the message. Probably a good size. Make this 32 as well. Make you 32 also. Okay, I think that looks good for just like a rough creation of it for right now. And I'll add more stuff to it over time, but I think that's a good start. So then for these last three sections, I'm just going to kind of write out or design out the mobile side of it, and then I'll figure out the desk type side a little bit more when I'm actually programming it in a minute. So this one is the free stuff, which I want like a bunch of cards basically. So it should start with free stuff. And then I want it to go like something like this for the cards. And then this will say like, let's make that bold maybe. And then this will say like, what's something that I'll give away for free? Like free Python cheat sheet. Or something like that. Also, I'm going to add a second call to action that says newsletter. Or, and I'll figure that out in a bit. Free Python cheat sheet. Then a short description about it, where it's like learning and practicing Python. It's good practicing to have a resource where you can that you can check when you a quick resource. Download, something like that. And then there's basically just going to be a bunch of those things going down here, and then they could just scroll forever. I actually might design out the desktop version for these. I'll see how I'm feeling kind of in a second, because this one wasn't too hard to do. So something like that. Now for the blog, I want it to be a very similar structure to this. Blog. Read about Python, projects, and other programming related things. Did I really misspell cheat sheet? Oh, I guess. Okay. How you would build an online sports betting bot. For this one, I also need an image on them, like a short description that. Then I want an image somewhere. I can go like that actually. Community member, build a betting bot with Python. Make this a little smaller maybe. I don't know, let me find an image on Unsplash real quick. Just a stock one for now. Yeah, that works. Let me try again. Copy image. What? That is not the right thing. I don't want to go on or iStock. Copy image. Paste image. Okay. I don't know why this isn't working. I guess I could just download it and then add it. No. There we go. Make it a lot smaller. Move these down. Let me put these under the image. I think that'll make it look better. Yeah, that looks normal now. Okay, then these are just gonna go down. Like that. Okay. So the last one is member portfolios, which I'm gonna make very similar to these two as well. when you join the community, you will get one of these. Get a job or more clients. Noah Fry. I am a blah 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 view. Yeah, like that. Okay. So about this one, I actually don't like this massive gap here, so I'm gonna bring you up a little bit, then bring this up a decent amount as well. And I think that looks better. Let me expand it and see how it looks. Give me 1 second here. I think this needs to go down a little bit. Right there. Maybe. That is not the right one. Alright, I think that looks good to start. Nice little start here. Let me just make this bold. Let me see this one on a phone potentially. Okay, I guess I can't. But I think it looks good. Yeah, this is a good start. And oh, I need the call to action down here. I almost forgot. I'm just gonna actually copy this button. Let's talk. Then move all this stuff down a little bit. Also, I need this to have more space a little bit from there. Maybe like that. Does that look good? Make sure everything's aligned good. Okay, I think that's good. All right, so now let me see if I can add some color to this. So to get my colors, I usually go to this website, coolors.co, and I like to look at trending palettes. I would like something with some yellow in it for Python. Let me see if I just add like yellow accents instead of like some dark black ones, how that looks. Really bad. Okay. Maybe dark blue. That looks not that bad. Maybe. I don't know, it's throwing me off a little bit. Maybe even the darker one. Can't even, yeah, I think that looks good. You can't fully tell that it's blue though, but maybe a little lighter. Yeah, like right there maybe. Oh, that's the wrong one. Let me make this black actually. Make you blue. Then make you blue. I just figured that was a little confusing because I haven't said anything about me yet. Here, let me. There we go. And then just change these colors to the blue. I mean, the button doesn't even need to be that. It could just be this color specifically. That button could stay there. This one could stay black. This one could stay black. Like everything could stay black except for that one part. Yeah. That's good for now. I'll improve it over time. I'll add more stuff to it, but that's it for the design part of the video.